Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to sew a pencil skirt from scratch.
These are my skirt patterns, and if you want to know how I drafted this pencil skirt pattern, I'll leave the link in the description box, so once you click on it, it will take you straight to the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do here is to pin my darts before taking it to my machine and sew. I'm pinning the dart on the main fabric and also on the lining. I'll do the same thing on the lining.
I will do the same for our lining pieces as well. So you pin the dart like the way you see me doing in the video. You pin before taking it to your machine and sew. The next thing you are going to do is to sew the darts. Make sure you sew a bite tack at the beginning and at the end of your stitch.
After sewing my darts, I took it to the iron table and I gave it a nice press. Make sure you iron all the darts. And you can see how neat and beautiful my dart is after ironing. To achieve this look, please ensure that you iron your darts. The next thing you are going to do is to pin side seams to side seams together. I've pinned my front to the back, right side facing right side, and I did the same thing for the lining as well. Before taking it to my machine and sew. The next thing you are going to do is to sew the side seam for both the main fabric and your lining piece. After sewing the side seam, I took my fabrics to the iron table and gave it a nice press. After you iron your skirt, this is what you should be having. This is my lining, and this is my main fabric. The next thing you are going to do is to get a machine zip. You sew a zip to the center back of the skirt. This is my zip. I'm going to measure where I want my zip to stop, then I'll sew a stitch from there down to the hem, and I want my skirt to have a slit. I'm going to mark where I want the slit to stop, then I'll sew from where my zip will stop down to that edge. And so I'm marking 5 inches. So I'll take this to my machine and sew. I've sewn and I've ironed it. This is what you should be having at the back of your skirt, and this is my slit opening. You can see how nice it is looking after I've ironed them. You can see I've pinned my zipper to the skirt, so I'll take this to my machine and sew.
So I have fixed my zip.
After sewing, this is what I'm having.
Look at it, it's looking so nice, flat and beautiful. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding the lining to this piece. So this is my lining. All I have to do is to flip this to the wrong side. You can see I flip it to the wrong side, and this is my my lining.
The next thing I'm going to be to sew the lining,
covering this up. I'm going to be placing the lining on the fabric like this. Then I will go to the machine, then sew one seam allowance. That's all I will do now. So I'm going to sew. I'm also going to take this to this other side like so. Also going to pin. See, I'm taking this from this other end, so I'm going to be pinning in such a way that all the seam are concealed. I'm going to the machine and I'm going to be sewing on. So after sewing, I'm going to pick this part and I'm sewing it up the end part, and I'm sewing it up down to where my zipper stop. Okay. It should be there now. It should be there. Yeah, it should be around you there.
It's so bad that it's a very big farm. Come for me, yeah.
No, to Marco to see. Take a footer. Once you use this finish, buy me that butter. So I don't send you message. I give you your. After sewing the lining to the zip part, this is what you should have. I've concealed all my seam allowance inside the lining, and you can see how beautiful this is looking. So I have sewed up to the zipper part, and you can see how this is looking like, very neat. I gave it a nice press, and the next thing you're going to do, you're going to top stitch from this end. You can see how neat I'll sketch it from the inside. Top stitch from this end down to the other end. So I'll take it to the machine and show you how to do that. Before I sewed the band to the skirt, I went ahead to add my flounce to the skirt. You can see how beautiful it looks. So this is our band. I've already prepped the band. So if you don't know how to do this, I'll drop the link in the description box to show you how to prep your band before joining it to the seam allowance. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be folding. The thing you're going to do, you're going to be folding the waistline backward like so, and you sew from here down to this point, then you sew from that point 1.5 inches to this point. So we're going to take it to the machine and do that right now. I'm going to attach this band. This is the side that is elongated, and this is my front, so it's going to be at the right side. It's going to be at the right side, so I'm going to pin it here. I'm going to pin this. So let's go and sew this, and after we sew, I'll bring it back. I've sewed it from the front to the back. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to place this on this like so. So I'll be sewing in such a way that when I sew, you see, you push all this inside and you see how relaxed it is on the floor. So you soak on the seam allowance. On this seam allowance, it will catch the one at the back. So let me take it to the machine and sew. After sewing the band to the skirt, this is what your skirt should be looking like. You can see how beautiful the skirt is, the inner finishing. And I went ahead to fold the hem allowance. I'm going to finish that one offline. This is the finished look of our skirt.